I'm afraid all the time. One of the words I used was hijacked. I mean, I'll admit I'm scared of being brought into the woodshed, as they call it, which would be the superintendent's office.
It's depressing. I mean, it's so sad to say something like that because I have loved this district so much.
I'm so upset because I've spent my whole career at this place, and when I came here, this was the #1 school district in the state, if not one of the best in the nation.
Does it feel good to be treated like a professional? Oh, I wouldn't know in the last 4 years because I haven't been.
It's being ripped apart, and it hasn't affected kids right now, but it's going to. And then what are we going to do? And people just turn a blind eye to it. I don't want to hear about it. That's not true. And if you don't stand up sooner or later, then, is it going to be too late? How will you fix it?
It makes me so sad to see that Douglas County has come to this point.
I love my community. And I work so hard and do a good job for the students that I have every year. And the extra students that I have this year. And it kills me that these board members can do this, and there's no check and balance, there's no nothing to prevent them from doing things that are not in anyone's best interest but their political agenda. And it makes me feel powerless.